Jira versus Trello. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which one is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. Number 1 is their purpose. Jira is designed for software development teams, focusing on issue tracking, agile boards, and sprint planning, while Trello is also a flexible Kanban-style tool for general project management. Number 2 is their features. Jira includes workflows, advanced workflows, backlog management, and developer integration, while Trello keeps things simple with boards, lists, and cards, but it can be extended with power-ups. Number 3 is of use. Trello is beginner-friendly and it's great for non-technical teams, while Jira has a steeper learning curve, but it offers powerful customization for developers. Number 4, pricing. Both of them have free plans, while Jira's free plan starts at $50 per month and per user, and Trello's premium starts at $5 per user per month. Number 5, their integrations. Jira integrates with GitHub, Bitbucket, Slack, and more, while Trello connects with popular apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Zoom. So for final verdict, if you are a development team needing agile workflows, you can go for Jira. For simple project tracking, you can go for Trello. And if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.